In this quick video I'm gonna show you how you can copy your Twitter profile link. Sometimes we need to copy our Twitter profile link to share our profile to others. So, for this, in this video, we'll show you the exact process. So, let's get started. For this, first open your Twitter app. Now tap on the profile icon at the upper left corner. Tap on Profile option. Here you will see your Twitter profile. Now tap on the three dots at the upper right corner. Tap on Share. Now you have to tap on Copy. My Twitter profile link has been copied. Now I'm gonna prove it. Here is my Twitter profile. Following the same process, you can also copy your Twitter profile link. Now, you can share your profile link to others. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the full video.